conversation funneled into their private accounts. It's amazing what people let you get away with when they're scared.
Hershey Walk, mag-iikot kami. Welcome, parang welcome program sa mga freshmen. Mag-iikot lang kami.
It helps all those souls you sent to meet their maker without due process just a whole lot easier. You thought you could atone by climbing into a cage and allowing yourself to get beaten to a pulp.
Sakit pa mo? Kaya masakit dito.
Ay, meron. School yun eh.
Hilot ni Papa pa masakit.
So they can blackmail our own Hanjas.
Hilot ni Papa masakit na pa.
Probably, but whatever. So, now what?
6:30 a.m.
Sakit ang pa. Hilot ni Papa.
What are you talking about? You got the money. The Chinese have nothing to care
Hilot
about.
ni Papa pa. Oh, sakit oh.
Something I do.
Grabe naman ang baby ko. Oh, Diyos ko po.